Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of hormones. Hormones are chemical messengers that play a vital role in regulating countless processes throughout our bodies. From growth and metabolism to mood and reproduction, these tiny molecules have a big impact. In this video, we'll explore how hormones are produced, how they travel through the body, and how they interact with each other to maintain balance. Understanding hormonal control is key to appreciating how our bodies function every day. Let's embark on this journey to uncover the secrets behind hormonal regulation and interaction. Hormones are special chemicals produced by glands in our endocrine system. They travel through the bloodstream to target organs and tissues, delivering messages that trigger specific responses. Think of hormones as the body's internal communication system, ensuring that everything runs smoothly. Without hormones, our bodies wouldn't be able to grow, digest food, or even feel emotions properly. In this scene, we'll break down the basics of what hormones are and why they're so essential for our health and well-being. Endocrine system is a network of glands that produce and release hormones. Major glands include the pituitary, thyroid, adrenal glands, and pancreas. Each gland has a unique role, but together they coordinate to regulate vital functions like metabolism, growth, and stress response. The endocrine system works closely with the nervous system, forming a complex web of control that keeps our bodies in balance. Let's take a closer look at how these glands work together to maintain harmony within us. Often called the master gland, the pituitary gland is located at the base of the brain. It controls many other endocrine glands by releasing hormones that signal them to act. For example, it tells the thyroid to produce thyroid hormones and the adrenal glands to release cortisol. The pituitary gland is crucial for growth, reproduction, and metabolism. Its influence is far-reaching, making it a central player in hormonal control. Thyroid gland, found in the neck, produces hormones that regulate metabolism, the process by which our bodies convert food into energy. Thyroid hormones affect nearly every cell, influencing how fast or slow our organs work. When the thyroid is overactive or underactive, it can lead to health issues like weight changes, fatigue, or mood swings. Understanding the thyroid's role helps us appreciate how finely tuned our bodies are. Perched atop the kidneys, the adrenal glands are responsible for producing hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. These hormones help our bodies respond to stress, whether it's a physical threat or emotional challenge. Adrenaline prepares us for fight or flight, while cortisol manages longer-term stress responses. The adrenal glands are essential for survival, helping us adapt to changing environments and demands. Pancreas plays a dual role as both a digestive and endocrine organ. It produces insulin and glucagon, hormones that regulate blood sugar levels. Insulin lowers blood sugar by helping cells absorb glucose, while glucagon raises it by signaling the liver to release stored glucose. This delicate balance is crucial for energy and overall health. Disruptions can lead to conditions like diabetes, highlighting the importance of hormonal control. Hormonal control relies on feedback loops, where the body monitors hormone levels and adjusts production accordingly. For example, when thyroid hormone levels drop, the pituitary gland releases TSH to stimulate the thyroid. Once levels are restored, TSH production decreases. These feedback systems maintain balance, preventing excess or deficiency. Feedback loops are a cornerstone of hormonal regulation, ensuring stability in our internal environment. Hormones come in different types, mainly steroid and peptide hormones. Steroid hormones, like cortisol and estrogen, are fat-soluble and can pass through cell membranes to act directly on DNA. Peptide hormones, such as insulin, are water-soluble and bind to receptors on cell surfaces, triggering a cascade of signals inside the cell. Understanding these differences helps explain how hormones achieve their effects in various tissues. For hormones to work, they must bind to specific receptors on or inside target cells. These receptors are like locks, and hormones are the keys. Only the right hormone can activate a particular receptor, ensuring precise control. This specificity allows hormones to trigger the right response in the right place, preventing unwanted effects elsewhere in the body. Receptor function is crucial for effective hormonal signaling. Growth hormone, produced by the pituitary gland, is essential for normal growth and development. It stimulates the growth of bones and tissues, especially during childhood and adolescence. Growth hormone also helps regulate metabolism and body composition. Deficiencies or excesses can lead to growth disorders, highlighting the importance of precise hormonal control during development. Estrogen and testosterone are key sex hormones that influence reproductive development and function. Estrogen is mainly produced in the ovaries, while testosterone is produced in the testes. These hormones shape secondary sexual characteristics such as body hair and voice changes and play roles in fertility, mood, and bone health. Their balance is vital for overall well-being in both men and women. Hormones don't just affect our bodies, they also influence our emotions and mental health. For example, fluctuations in estrogen and progesterone can impact mood, especially during menstrual cycles or menopause. Cortisol, the stress hormone, can affect anxiety and depression levels. Understanding the link between hormones and mood helps explain why we sometimes feel the way we do. Insulin is a hormone produced by the pancreas that helps regulate blood sugar. When the body can't produce enough insulin or use it effectively, blood sugar levels rise, leading to diabetes. Managing insulin levels is crucial for people with diabetes, as it helps prevent complications and maintain energy. This scene highlights the importance of hormonal balance in everyday health. Cortisol is released by the adrenal glands in response to stress. It helps the body manage energy, control inflammation, and respond to threats. While cortisol is essential for survival, chronic high levels can lead to problems like weight gain, high blood pressure, and weakened immunity. Learning how cortisol works can help us manage stress more effectively. Adrenaline, also known as epinephrine, is a hormone that prepares the body for quick action in stressful situations. It increases heart rate, boosts energy, and sharpens focus, enabling us to react swiftly to danger. This fight-or-flight response is a survival mechanism that has evolved over millions of years. Adrenaline's effects are immediate and powerful, showing how hormones can rapidly influence our bodies. Sleep is regulated by hormones like melatonin, which is produced by the pineal gland. Melatonin levels rise in the evening, signaling the body that it's time to rest. Other hormones, such as cortisol, also play a role in the sleep-wake cycle. Disruptions in these hormones can lead to sleep disorders, affecting overall health and well-being. Appetite is controlled by hormones like ghrelin and leptin. Ghrelin signals hunger, while leptin tells the brain when we're full. These hormones work together to regulate food intake and maintain a healthy weight. Imbalances can lead to overeating or undereating, showing how hormonal control is essential for nutrition and energy balance. Reproductive hormones like estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone control sexual development, fertility, and pregnancy. These hormones coordinate complex processes such as ovulation, sperm production, and the menstrual cycle. Their precise timing and balance are crucial for successful reproduction and healthy offspring. Growth is a complex process regulated by several hormones, including growth hormone, thyroid hormones, and sex hormones. These hormones ensure that bones, muscles, and organs develop properly. Any imbalance can affect height, strength, and overall health, highlighting the importance of hormonal harmony during childhood and adolescence. Puberty is triggered by a surge in sex hormones, leading to physical and emotional changes. Estrogen and testosterone drive the development of secondary sexual characteristics, such as breast development and voice deepening. Hormonal changes during puberty also affect mood and behavior, making this a challenging but essential stage of life. Menopause marks the end of reproductive years in women and is characterized by a decline in estrogen and progesterone. This hormonal shift leads to symptoms like hot flashes, mood swings, and changes in bone density. Understanding menopause helps women manage symptoms and maintain health during this natural transition. As we age, hormone levels naturally decline, affecting metabolism, muscle mass, and bone strength. Lower levels of growth hormone, estrogen, and testosterone contribute to the aging process. Understanding these changes can help us make lifestyle choices that support healthy aging and vitality. Hormones like cortisol and thymosin play roles in regulating the immune system. Cortisol can suppress immune responses during stress, while thymosin supports the development of immune cells. The balance of these hormones is crucial for fighting infections and maintaining health. Hormones like estrogen, testosterone, and parathyroid hormone are vital for maintaining strong bones. They regulate bone formation and breakdown, ensuring proper density and strength. Imbalances can lead to conditions like osteoporosis, especially after menopause or with aging. Hormones such as adrenaline, thyroid hormones, and insulin influence heart rate, blood pressure, and cholesterol levels. Their balance is essential for cardiovascular health. Disruptions can increase the risk of heart disease, making hormonal control a key factor in heart health. Skin health is influenced by hormones like androgens and estrogen. These hormones affect oil production, skin thickness, and healing. Imbalances can lead to acne, dryness, or other skin conditions, showing how hormonal control extends to every part of the body. Digestive hormones like gastrin, secretin, and cholecystokinin regulate the breakdown and absorption of food. They control the release of digestive juices and the movement of food through the gut. Proper hormonal control ensures efficient digestion and nutrient absorption. Hormones like antidiuretic hormone ADH and aldosterone help regulate the body's water and salt balance. They control how much water is retained or excreted by the kidneys, maintaining blood pressure and hydration. Disruptions can lead to dehydration or swelling, emphasizing the importance of hormonal control. Blood pressure is influenced by hormones like adrenaline, aldosterone, and antidiuretic hormone. These hormones adjust blood vessel tone and fluid balance, ensuring proper circulation. Imbalances can lead to high or low blood pressure, affecting overall health. Pregnancy involves dramatic hormonal changes, with hormones like human chorionic gonadotropin, HCG, progesterone, and estrogen supporting fetal development and maternal health. These hormones maintain the pregnancy, prepare the body for childbirth, and support lactation after birth. Lactation, or milk production, is controlled by hormones like prolactin and oxytocin. Prolactin stimulates milk production while oxytocin triggers milk release. These hormones ensure that newborns receive the nutrition they need during early life. Physical activity influences hormone levels, including adrenaline, cortisol, and growth hormone. Exercise boosts endorphins, which improve mood and reduce pain. Regular activity helps maintain hormonal balance, supporting overall health and well-being. Managing stress is essential for hormonal health. Chronic stress can disrupt cortisol and adrenaline levels, leading to fatigue, anxiety, and other health issues. Techniques like mindfulness, exercise, and proper sleep can help restore balance and support well-being. Nutrition plays a key role in hormonal health. Certain nutrients like iodine, zinc, and vitamin D support hormone production and function. A balanced diet helps maintain optimal hormone levels, supporting energy, mood, and overall health. Hormonal imbalances can lead to diseases like diabetes, thyroid disorders, and polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS. Early detection and management are crucial for preventing complications and maintaining quality of life. Understanding the signs of hormonal disorders can help guide treatment and support health. Medications can influence hormone levels, either by replacing deficient hormones or blocking excess production. Common examples include insulin for diabetes and thyroid hormone replacement for hypothyroidism. Proper medication management is essential for restoring hormonal balance and health. Environmental factors such as toxins and endocrine disruptors can interfere with hormonal function. Chemicals found in plastics, pesticides, and personal care products may mimic or block natural hormones, leading to health issues. Reducing exposure to these substances supports hormonal health. Genetics play a role in how our bodies produce and respond to hormones. Some people may inherit conditions that affect hormone levels or receptor sensitivity. Understanding genetic influences can help personalize treatment and support optimal health. Lifestyle choices such as diet, exercise, sleep, and stress management have a significant impact on hormonal health. Making positive changes in these areas can help maintain hormonal balance and support overall well-being. Small steps can make a big difference in how our hormones function. Hormonal imbalances can contribute to mental health conditions like depression, anxiety, and mood disorders. Proper diagnosis and treatment can help restore balance and improve quality of life. Understanding the connection between hormones and mental health is essential for holistic care. Some cancers, such as breast and prostate cancer, are influenced by hormones. Hormonal therapies can be used to slow or stop the growth of these cancers. Understanding the role of hormones in cancer development and treatment is vital for effective care. Ongoing research continues to uncover new insights into hormonal control and interaction. Advances in genetics, medicine, and technology are helping us better understand how hormones work and how to treat related disorders. Staying informed about the latest discoveries can empower us to take charge of our health. In summary, hormones are powerful messengers that regulate nearly every aspect of our health. Their precise control and interaction ensure that our bodies function smoothly, adapting to changes and challenges. By understanding hormonal control, we can better appreciate the complexity and resilience of the human body. As we continue to learn more about hormones, new treatments and strategies will emerge to support health and well-being. Whether it's managing stress, improving nutrition, or advancing medical therapies, understanding hormonal control will remain at the forefront of health science. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of hormonal control and interaction.